For reading today, we are on week 3, day 13. Our topic is weather, specifically snow. We are reading one of my favorite books of all time, The Snowy Day by Ezra Jack Keats. That's our fiction book. We are reading the book Snowy Weather Days by Katie Marsico, and that is going to give us information about snow. So when you are done pressing on the link, Take Me There, and completing the activities, there's an activity here you can do and a video here that you can watch. So first, press Take Me There. And here you can watch the story, The Snowy Day, by pressing here or here. And you can read the book, Snowy Weather Days, by pressing here or here. And then you can do puzzlers, so you can do the word match and which came first when you're done reading the books. And you can dive deeper by exploring the web and meeting the creators. When you are done, please sign into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes and then complete your phonics assignment and turn it in. Practicing your reading is super important, so please read some books at your house or read on Epic Books to practice all your skills. Happy reading!